Fixed Sewing Machines Institute is the National Center for Professional All-Brand Sewing Machine Repair Training. This comprehensive training is provided through correspondence programs and live institutes. Graduates are prepared to serve as professional technicians or in their very own profitable businesses.
I'm Tracee Franklin, and I just completed Fixed Sewing Machines Institute, and we learned about mechanical machines and their properties and how to diagnose the different issues on those. Then we moved on to computerized machines and having the hands-on rather than just seeing that as an online course was invaluable. It really made all the difference in the world. And then we moved on to sergers. And I feel like after taking this course that I can do all three of those with complete confidence. So thank you, and have a great day.